Before we start, hit subscribe so you never miss my quick Microsoft 365 tips. Today, I'll show you how to add Microsoft Teams to Outlook so you can manage meetings and messages all in one place. First, open Microsoft Outlook in your browser or desktop app and sign in with your Microsoft account. This is important because Teams and Outlook must be connected to the same account for the integration to work. Once you log in, look at the top right corner of Outlook. You will see a row of icons. Among them, find the Teams icon. It's usually purple with a small people symbol. Click it and Microsoft Teams will open in a new window. If Teams launches successfully, your accounts are now linked. From this point forward, your Outlook calendar will sync with Teams, so any meeting scheduled in one will appear in the other. You'll also receive email notifications for upcoming Teams meetings and chat messages, helping you stay on top of your schedule and conversations. And that's it. You've just connected Microsoft Teams with Outlook, giving you a more efficient way to manage both communication and scheduling without switching apps. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick tech guides.